Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about the most hyped products, which include skincare, hair care and body care products. I have splurged lots of money so that you don't have to. So with that being said, let's get started. So first I have this Beauty of Jason Ginseng Cleansing Oil, which is such a nice product. I cannot tell you how effective it is. It has a very lightweight oily formulation which emulsifies with water so quickly and perfectly. It doesn't leave any greasiness or residue behind. And I love how this melts down everything within seconds. I would highly recommend this product if you live in a very highly polluted area or apply lots of makeup. Also, if you have tiny bumps all over your skin, you have blackhead, whitehead, this is gonna help with that. So you can use it once a day and you will see a very good result. Next, we have this Hyphen Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence, and the idea of toner essence is pretty similar to Korean skincare products, and these kind of products actually give you a very healthy and natural glow on your skin. So this has 5% white nectar. So white nectar works as antioxidant and is very nourishing. It provides nutrients to your skin. Next, it has ceramide complex. Now many people think that ceramide is only effective to support skin barrier. Of course, it soothes your skin and supports the skin barrier, so your skin irritation gets reduced, your acne scar, inflammation, everything gets reduced. But ceramide is much more than that. It has anti-aging properties. It slows down the aging process. Also, this is very hydrating. It helps in retaining the hydration for longer time, so you get that plump, juicy, glowing skin if you use ceramide regularly. All over, this toner is very soothing, hydrating and lightweight. It hydrates your skin for a very long time and gives you a very healthy glow. It looks so natural and pretty, and I love how this gives you a glow very similar to Korean skincare products without burning your wallet. I just love this product. I know so many people are saying that it broke them out, but in my case, nothing like that happened. Next, we have this Stater Milky Skin Toner, and this is so expensive, guys. I mean, this 20 ml product costed me 350 rupees. So it has a watery consistency, watery texture, very lightweight, gets absorbed within second. You won't feel anything after applying it. This is intensely hydrating, and they have combined some ingredients. They have taken patent of it, and they claim that this is very soothing. And yeah, this toner is actually very soothing, calming, hydrating, and gives you a very natural, pretty glow. The quality of this product is worth admiration, but I think this is very expensive. Like, most of the people can't even afford it, so what's the point? Next is this Viral Ampoule Serum from Dr. Sheth's, and it's the ceramide and 10% vitamin C ampoule serum. Dr. Sheth's is my favorite. I mean, they never disappoint, and this time also I'm quite happy with this product. So they have ceramide complex, 1% ceramide complex, which effectively supports your skin barrier. Also, it has 10% vitamin C, which brightens your skin. And apart from that, it has 1% hyaluronic acid, which is really, really hydrating. And it has 1% heart leaf extract. So you remember the Anua heart leaf toner? Heart leaf was the key ingredient in that toner as well, because it's very soothing. In this case also, they have included heart leaf. So this ampoule is not only brightening and hydrating, but it's also very soothing. And after using it, I would say this is really calming and soothing. If you have really sensitive, acne prone, irritated skin, this is something you need to try. This is very lightweight. Also, it has 10% vitamin C, which is very effective in reducing pigmentation and dullness. So if you have a acne prone, sensitive skin and you have lots of pigmentation on your skin, then this is something you need to try. And after using it for a while, I would say yes, this is very soothing. This really supports the skin barrier and reduces the irritation. Also, this is very hydrating. It will hydrate your skin for like 3 to 4 hours. And as it has 10% vitamin C, this definitely reduces dullness and pigmentation. So if you use it for like 3 to 4 weeks, you will see that your pigmentation has faded a lot. Like, you will see a very visible result. And this is the 6 peptide skin booster serum by Cosrx. So it has 6 types of peptides, hyaluronic acid, amino acid. So this is filled with nourishing and hydrating ingredients. About their claims, they claim that it gives you even skin tone. Well, I won't say much because I didn't see any change. Next, it's hydrating. Yes, this is very hydrating, yet very lightweight. After that, firmness and smooth skin. Yes, it does make your skin so smooth, and over the time you will feel it. About pore and sebum care, well, in this case, I didn't see any change. It didn't do anything to the pore or sebum. After that, we have skin texture. Yeah, it does improve the skin texture if you use it regularly. Next, we have this Anua Peach 70 Niacin Serum, and this is not a regular serum. It has peach extract and niacinamide. It smells so sweet, but not too exaggerating, like it won't give you headache or something. But now when it comes to hydration, guys, let me take a moment to admire how hydrating this is. If I apply it at night, next day I wake up with the most soft, supple and glowing skin. Also, if you use it for a while, you will see significant reduction in your pigmentation. So in my opinion, this is actually worth it. Next, I got this Accessory Mini Glow Set, which includes a face wash, toner, ampoule and serum. So all the products are so good, but today especially I want to talk about this serum. So I think back in 2024 it went really viral. You know, it was everywhere, all over the platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. It was literally everywhere. This was literally everywhere, and I think this is well deserving of the hype because this is very effective in reducing pigmentation. If you have severe pigmentation issues, this is gonna help. Also, it adds a very nice glow. It is very lightweight, and after applying it, you won't feel anything. You'll just see the glow and see how fast your pigmentation is getting reduced. Alright, next we have a lip balm which is from Hyphen again, and it's their vitamin infused lip balm, and this is in the shade Marshmallow, and it does smell like marshmallow, and this also like looks very delicious. And I know this is pretty awkward. I have tasted it mistakenly, of course, and it does smell like, it does taste so good. So it has peptides, 1% vitamin E, linoleic acid and 2% squalene, which makes it super hydrating, and the pigmentation is also pretty good, and it hydrates your lips for a good 4 hours. So next we have this Fay Beauty Lip Whip Matte Tint, and at first I was like, why are these so expensive? But when I applied it for the first time, I was like, I am gonna talk about this product a lot. I mean, this is that good. It has a very lightweight, feathery, non-drying formulation. It is very highly pigmented. And when I say this is lightweight, feathery, non-drying, it actually is. I have never used this much lightweight, feathery or non-drying matte lipstick, at least. Next, I have some products from Mars, and these days Mars is everywhere. I mean, why not? They have made their package the cutest in the Indian market, and also their products are so effective yet affordable. So today I have this Mars 4-letter velvet lip tint and this Mars drip lip mist. First, let's talk about this. It has a watery consistency and is very highly pigmented. It will give you that one swipe pigmentation. Also, this is a matte lip tint. I won't say this is very velvety, but yeah, it's a very non-drying matte lip tint. It's very long lasting, waterproof, transfer proof. I mean, at this price, they have made a wonderful product. About this drip lip mist, it's a glossy lip tint, very long lasting. I won't say transfer proof, it transfers a little, but yes, this is waterproof and it lasts for a really long time. And in my opinion, Mars is making the most pigmented lip tints at such affordable price. I really love this product. Next is this Mars Liquid Blush, and this is the most aesthetic, Pinteresty, creamy blush. And this is very highly pigmented. You will just have to take a dot and then blend it, and it will give you such a nice pigmentation. You don't have to take lots of products, but this is not that long lasting. I mean, within 2 hours, it will fade away. So it's a like okay type product. I know this video is already very long, so let's quickly talk about this Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. I'll just say 2 things about this. First, this is very lightweight. Even if you apply it daily, your hair won't feel like very sticky or it won't lose the volume. And second, if you are consistent with it, you will see hair growth. Next, I have this Dove exfoliating body polish, and Dove body polishes are mainly famous for the fragrance. And yes, I have to say this smells so good. This is the pomegranate version, but it smells a little like strawberry and it smells exactly like red velvet cake. And the smell is also long lasting. It lingers for a really long time. Also, it's a very efficient exfoliant. If you have strawberry leg, it's gonna help with that. And it also polishes your body, gives you that glowing, polished, moisturized body without leaving any greasiness behind. So if you want that smooth, glowing body, then this is something you need to try. Next, we have this Aqualogica Sunkissed Vanilla Perfume Body Mist, and this is the exact dupe of Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 59. And you know, I love vanilla perfume, but sometimes vanilla perfumes feel little too much, little extra sweet, and like sometimes we get, this is the perfect vanilla perfume that's not too heavy yet sweet. It makes you smell like a freshly baked vanilla cupcake, yet this is not too exaggerating. So if you love vanilla but don't like the extra, you know, exaggerating nature, then this is something you need to try. So if you like vanilla perfumes but don't like the strong nature of it, then this is something you need to try. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful. So I'll see you soon in my next videos. Till then, annyeong!